Hey friends, welcome back to my henna class. So each day we're gonna learn a new element and a new design with that. So for more videos and lessons, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button below for all the new notifications of my new video. So we are going to look into how to draw a spiral today, and first let's check what are the common mistakes we used to make when we are going to do a spiral design as a beginner. So let's check that. Spirals can be of different types and varieties. They can either be smaller ones or larger ones, but the actual thing is that they should have that proper symmetry, and we cannot draw it like a 6 means a number 6 or something like this or something with a small dot at the end. Spirals usually have that circular pattern, but we can draw that using a square shaped spirals also. But the most basic spiral we used to draw for the henna designing and which we use in Arabic designing and Indian ones are the circular type, and mostly all the beginners are really very bad in making spiral designs, and these are the common mistake they used to do when they are really beginners. So I'm going to show you what a real spiral looks like, and I'm also going to show you how to draw these spirals and different techniques for making it correct. A correct spiral can be drawn like this with a single stretch of drawing and not taking your hands or the cone at halfway and drawing again. And but if you want to draw like that, you have to practice a lot, and as a beginner you cannot just draw this in a single stretch. So you have to know the basic technique of how to draw a spiral, and let me show you the basic technique for that. So the first thing is that you have to draw a C shape like this, a C shape, and then you have to draw another C shape. But that C shape is in the opposite direction of our normal C shape, and then again we have to draw a C which is normal and connect with our opposite C shape, and again we have to draw a opposite C shape, then again come and make a small circle at the center. So this is our spiral. So this is how we are going to make a C shape spiral, and again let me show you. First a normal C shape, then join that C shape with a opposite C, then again join with a normal C, opposite C, at end a small circle. So this is the normal kind of spiral, and there is smaller type of spiral. So let's make this smaller, and see I'm drawing this in a single stretch, but you can do that at first. So there is some techniques to draw that at first stretch itself, so that I will tell you later in this video. And this is a smaller kind of spiral, and let's make it little more smaller out there. So and when this spiral becomes smaller and smaller, there is a simple variation of small spirals also. This is the normal spiral. I made a little more smaller. So this is also a kind of smaller spiral, and this is also a smaller spiral, but it actually doesn't have all those curves in that. And this is the technique I told before. For that you need to have some rings, that is the nail ring or a compass and a pen, and draw some circles like this, and try practicing your spiral like this on that circle itself at a single stretch. And if you can't do that at first, try doing our C shape spirals in this ring shape which we have drawn with pen, so we can practice a lot and make our spirals perfect. So these two spirals are almost correct, but let me show you something. You're going to make mistakes here also. So We are going to draw the spirals with the C-shapes technique, and at last, see, when you used to draw there may be some gap and you will try to fill it, and this will be the situation. See how clumsy it looks. So that spiral is not correct and it doesn't have any perfection. And let me show you other one also. So we are again trying to draw a spiral, but the spiral is completely out of a circle, and also it have all those discontinuous lines, and so this is again a incorrect spiral. So let's check which is correct and which is incorrect. The first two spirals are the correct spirals and the last two spirals are incorrect spirals. So try doing this, making correct spirals for around 10 times or as much as you can do to make perfect spirals for your flowers and for other designs, which we are going to learn after this video in our next videos. So now let's try to draw a design using these spirals. So in this design we are not only using spirals but we are also using this wavy line. This is really simple to draw this wavy line. In childhood we used to make this mountain and sun thing in between, and the same thing we are going to draw just some waves. And if you are not okay with drawing this kind of wavy lines, don't worry, I'm going to teach you the simple technique of drawing wavy lines in my next videos. So now for the time being, just try to make a kind of wavy line, because we are not going to practice wavy lines today, we are going to practice a spirals today. So let's make a spirals perfect, and if you are not okay with wavy lines, we can try making this after watching my next YouTube videos. So our wavy line is almost complete, and we have to draw all those smaller kind of spirals inside our wavy lines, and we have to just fill with the spirals inside all that space. And you can practice spirals also, and also you can learn a design with that now. So I have completed drawing all the spirals inside that, and let me draw some bigger spirals on the border of those wavy designs. And I'm really interested in seeing your practice works and replying to your DMs and comments in my YouTube and Instagram page. So send me all your works and ask me doubt through comments and Instagram page, and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button below and follow me on my Instagram page, and let me know how you have done with this practice session. And if you want me to change anything like narrations or something, then feel free to say to me, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye till we meet again, and it's me, Sharon.